I saw the video. In fact, Lavana tried sending it to me, and I said, I can't watch it because it makes my blood boil, and I start to rage. And that this is Bangalore, because we've always sort of coexisted, and we've always been people who are extremely compassionate, empathetic, not just with dogs, with all animals, and always fought for trees and lakes and.
A protest was held at Freedom Park on April 11, where citizens gathered to raise concerns over cruelty against community dogs at a DRDO campus in the city. Protesters pointed to an incident on March 5th at the DRDO Phase 2 campus in Kagadasapura, where residents reportedly intercepted a vehicle and found 3 dogs with their legs and mouths tied, stuffed inside double-layered plastic bags and gunny sacks. The animals were rescued, but over 20 other community dogs were reported missing from the campus. An FIR has been registered by Bruhat Bengaluru Mahanagara Palike at Mahadevapura Police Station, and the matter is currently under hearing in the High Court, with the next hearing scheduled for April 16th.
In Herald, there was an article about just saying that, there's a video footage of dogs being mishandled. And when I saw that picture, I knew that I know those dogs. And when I went there, I found out that most of the streets were empty. And like any feeder knows, if some dogs are feeding irregularly in an area, they don't just go missing. So over 22 dogs are just missing in those area. And as much as we are asking, they are claiming that it's in a forest area behind the building, but it's not there. So our question is, where are the dogs and what has really happened? And we can't just be fed lies saying, no, they're here, they're there, because that's not how dogs work. So we are searching for it. Yeah, we used to. There were about 22 dogs, but I don't know all of those 22. The ones that I know, they're called Spot. There was Mr. R, there was Yin, there was Tiger, there was Kaveri, there was Hamsa. These were only some of the dogs that I knew regularly. And they were all, most of them, they were, except Hamsa, all of the others were neutered and vaccinated. So they actually pose no threat as such, and they are very gentle dogs. And they're all missing now. So
there is no humanity left, and we are I think the species that are supposed to take care of the rest of them, like make space for them. But I think we've become so greedy. We've taken away all their land. We've become extremely cruel, and it's something that I find hard to believe, because I feel like, Bangalore especially is a place where people have always been very concerned citizens. We are very compassionate. We have a lot of empathy. We've taken care of our trees, our lakes, our animals, and we've always coexisted. And to think of an institution like DRDO that would do something like this, they should have gone and done it the right way, which is, approach the BBMP and ask them to look into the dogs' vaccination or sterilization. I'm told that the dogs were already sterilized and neutered, and there were people who were feeding them also. And the way they were taken away, and we have no idea where the dogs are today. They say that they have been relocated to another part in the same campus, and they're in some enclosure and they've been taken care of. So I'm like, show us, the videos and the pictures that, the dogs are there. But most people here think that the dogs have died. And I think as per law, we need to find justice for the dogs. And I'm very happy that the BBMP has filed a case, in High Court against the DRDO officials. And whoever they are who ordered this, they must be taken to task. And I think the only way, yes, protest is one way, but I think hopefully we will get justice.
You need a heart. Somebody who's raised a child to give such an order, to take life simply. What sort of a mother or what sort of a father raised such a person who went into office and got some, a role and salary to give this kind of a decision where you go and take life simply? What sort of a religion has raised you? What sort of a parent has raised you, you shameless fellows? Have some shame, you asuras. You asuras, one day that whole thing will change. And when we are in power, we will change the rules. And in place of that dog, we'll put your name one day. If Brahmand is alive, if some creation is there, then one day I will see that. I will see that my name is Nihesh Pol and I'm here to bring this change. Asura,
Video floated upon our into our group, and there we saw this specific incident of dogs being tied and put in plastic bags, and then people intervening, and when they came out, their mouths were bound, their legs were bound, and they were released. But then we came to hear that many dogs had been missing for a long time, for 10 days at least before that. So we suspect that they have been relocated the same way, and but they are not being found. DRDO doesn't give us answers. Where are those dogs? So we want accountability. That is the thing.
Been a brutal act of killing in the DRDO campus, in the township, where neutered, vaccinated dogs were picked up on the orders of the real estate head and taken away in trucks, God knows where. Now people might assume that, oh, they were just relocated. No, their mouths were tied, their hands and feet were bound and put into one plastic bag, tied up, and another one, which means they suffocated slowly to death. This is death. We managed to save 3 because somebody noticed these 3 empty bags lying on the truck, and we figured out these were dogs that were on their last stage. But then we realized that all the dogs that have been missing so far have been because these dogs have been steadily relocated. We found a couple more videos where dogs like this the previous week were caught, and the poor dog is trying to move and somebody's thrown a stone on their head. A dog that was being treated for cancer, a dog that was hit on the spine, so had become a paraplegic, only able to move with the front 2 feet. That dog was picked up. A lactating mother, which was with the 2 pups, was picked up. All the helpless dogs were picked up. On whose orders? On why? So in the greyness post-Supreme Court, what we are seeing is a lot of very illegal things happening. But what we are saying from CJ Memorial Trust, of which CV Raman squad is a very, very strong part. If it wasn't for them, we would not have noticed this to have happened, because it's a closed campus. But what we have realized is we've given strong messages. We've called up the Chief Commissioner and said we must have this fixed. We must have action taken. And good to know that the FIR was launched by BBMP. It was a very good move and done the very next day. The second thing is we want the solid waste management to take action and ensure that no garbage collectors do this. Third, a strong notice has to go out to DRDO that this is unacceptable behavior, and they cannot hide by saying, oh, the CCTV cameras does not work, right? They cannot silence this when it's an illegal act they have committed. You can't cover it up. And most importantly, we are concerned that if this is happening here, it is happening elsewhere in India. And if today it's DRDO, tomorrow it's another establishment, tomorrow it's a university, they will get away with murder, literally. These dogs deserved better. It took us 2 years to get those dogs to be neutered, and this is what happens. Their last moments in that plastic bag, I want you to think about it, because that were the last moments that we want justice for. And we want to make sure that we want justice for it, but we want to prevent it from happening.